Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to update your Apple ID profile picture, you've come to the right place. Whether you're just in the mood for a change or want to add a personal touch, this guide will take you through the steps and it'll be super easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, tap the profile icon at the top of the page. And this new page will pop up. From here, you'll be able to change your Apple ID photo. Now if you want to use a photo from your phone's gallery, tap the gallery icon. Then choose the photo you'd like to use. After that, select the area of the photo you want to show and hit choose. Next, pick up the photo style you like. After that, tap done. And just like that, your new photo will be set as your Apple ID profile picture. But if you want to use a Memoji as your profile picture instead, select the Memoji you want from the Memoji section. If you can't find one you're looking for, tap See More next to Memoji and choose the emoji you want. After that, pick the expression you'd like to use and tap Next. Now you can adjust the size of your Memoji. Pinch in to make it smaller or pinch out to make it bigger. You can also drag in to any position on the screen. After that, hit Choose. Next, pick the background color and tap Done. And that's it. Your Memoji is now set as your Apple ID profile picture. If you'd prefer an emoji instead, scroll down a bit. Tap on the emoji you want from the list. Next, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. And that emoji will be set as your profile picture. Finally, hit Done to save the change. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to change your Apple ID photo, whether it's a personal picture, Memoji, or emoji. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want more tips and tricks like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.